What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna load up the Beast. I'm gonna utilize the trailer for the first time. Gonna head down to PSP with the turbo coupe, put some finishing touches. So let's get started.
The wind is moving this one.
Alright, so we got the coupe loaded up. Wouldn't go into the trailer without utilizing some ramps. I tried, as you guys saw. I did scratch the bottom of the front nose a little bit, but that's okay, you can't see it. Now we're on our way to Silva Performance, and I just wanted to give you some thoughts on the trailer. The trailer is towing very nice. Not utilizing our truck. It wasn't ready to go. Couldn't get the airbags put in, so I'm using my friend's Ram 2500 heavy duty, and I can tell you this thing's a beast. It's pulling the trailer like nothing, as if there's nothing even behind there. So other than that, I'll see you guys when I get down there, and that's it. Alright, so we're making some adjustments in here. We're going to try to get the steering column up higher. It was a bit low. And yeah, so Paul's removed the steering column, and going to see what we can do there. What else is going on? Got a little tiny seepage coming from the electric water pump, so putting on a new O-ring. And I got a front strut that's leaking, so I gotta replace one front strut. I gotta get the star of the show in here. Paul's like, here we go. All of a sudden he goes quiet.
Yeah.
Can't be shy now.
I've always been a shy kid. Ryan, can you lift the alternator up a little bit? Is it up? from center to center 4 3/4. Yeah, like if I cut this off and try to put this on like this, and then I can deal with this after.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I can make another bracket because this will still bolt onto and it'll raise it up.
Okay. Yeah. Leaking right there. Oh, the bugger. Okay, new strut coming. All right, so to wrap up this video, the coupe's gonna stay at the shop for a few days. Paul's gonna be taking care of a bunch of little things, some final touches to prepare for some shakedown passes. This morning I did notice some oil leak, some oil on my hoist, and I wasn't exactly sure where that was coming from, but as you guys saw in the video, it's coming from the passenger side strut. So it's obviously bad, so we got to order a new strut to come in and get that replaced, and yeah, just a bunch of little things. So when I pick it up next, it should be ready to go and hit the track. So other than that, appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.